we go. Huh? Why didn't I hear? Why didn't I hear the bell? The bell go off. That's weird. Is my headphone my audio connected? I'm gonna play something on YouTube real quick just to see if my audio is connected. You guys probably hear that desktop, but I don't hear anything. Huh. Something's always gotta go wrong. Okay. Should hear it now.
Interviewed by
Perfect. Cool. All right. Nasdaq currently just kind of choppy this morning. We did reject off that our line right here at the pre-market. So we'll see if it wants to break above here and hit that VWAP at 49. It's been rejecting kind of all pre-market and last night off that VWAP. So we'll see if it wants to hit that VWAP again this morning and then reject. We're looking for that 50 level. So we're just going to wait to see if Nasdaq wants to break above here. Still getting stuck on that trend line of that 735 level. Pretty weak here. Nice rejection again off that trend line. That's twice already. So you might see this thing start to fall pretty hard with some volume. We have room all the way to that 465. Just pretty far. There we go. Let's see what we got on the 1 hour. 1 hour, kind of a short-term level is that 600, I guess. That 600 level is kind of a short-term one to look out for. We rejected off that 35 again really nicely and sold off pretty good. About 40, almost 50 handles. I'm trying to see where we would have some type of support. We had a solid bounce there. Normally, I like to go short on these bounces here, but because the same candle that was red got bought up that much, I don't jump in there unless it was like this red candle closed down here, and then the next one we kind of bounced up a little bit. But since it got bought up so much on that first candle. I don't want to jump in there. We might see that 35 level get tested once again. That's 3 times in the last 45 minutes or so. We're just gonna see what this wants to do here. We might get that break above that 35 this time if we actually push up. Tesla's green right now, surprisingly. Nasdaq's currently down 0.5. SPY is down 0.4. Let's go ahead and check out Tesla real quick. Tesla's popping there. It's looking pretty good. Above that 197.91, it has room all the way up to 200. Tesla has some clear skies above it. I'm looking to see if Nasdaq wants to break above that 35 for some longs, depending on how it does it as well. If it's just doing this where it keeps getting stuck, it's not. It's gonna be a no. But there it goes. It's popping there. Let's see. I might jump in long here. Let's see if we get a micro pullback here. Okay, right there. I just jumped in there at 27. Let's see if we want to break above that 35. Tesla's popping. Let's get a strong break above that the 35 and hit that VWAP. Our first price target would be on that VWAP, which is at 45 level. I think that 35 level is too strong. Let's see if we're able to break it this time. It's pulling back here a bit, but let's be patient with it. Let's see if it wants to break above this time. Tesla's still pushing pretty hard. Let's see if Nasdaq wants to break this 35, and then we'll hit that 45 level. Let's go Tesla. Let's go Nasdaq right here. Let's get some volume. Let's get some buyers. There you go. There you go. Starting to break above. Let's see if we can hit that 45.
Order filled.
I sold it there at 39. Took it there at 39 for $70 profit. Not too bad. I would have held it a little longer, just that it was having trouble with this previous candle, so I just tried to get rid of it pretty quick on that first pop. And like as you can see, it started rejecting pretty hard there again. It's pretty weak this morning. Tesla was looking good. Nasdaq's kind of still holding there. Might want to pop back up to that VWAP. Just looking pretty weak though. Potentially could even go short here. Just because it's having trouble just breaking above that 35 and holding above. We'll see what these next two candles do. Preferably, I would like to see this actually pop up there. I would like to see this thing test that 775 level again for potential rejection. Yeah, it's having trouble here. Below that 20, 21, 24 area, you could start looking to go short, especially if this candle starts to reject again that VWAP. Let's see if it wants to pop above. I would like to see this pop up and head up to that 775, so we could go short there. But if not, we're looking at that 720, 724 area for a short. Oh, there it goes. Can it pop? Can it break? Gotta just be patient with it. Trying to break above here finally. Tesla with the big candles here. Tesla's up 1.3%. Let's see if Nasdaq wants to hit that 775 level. That's where we'll look to go short. 775. We got about 25 more handles. Looking pretty weak once again. That rejection. Come on, let's hit that 775 so we can short you. It's not able to hold above that VWAP. Now what I'm looking for is for this to kind of sell off down to that 20 level, get a bounce, reject that 35 again, and then we'll go short. Let's see if it wants to come down to that 20 level. 720, bounce, reject 35. If not, it needs to hold this 35 for us to continue this move up to 775. Tesla is a monster, dude. Look at it. It's flying up there. It's up about, what is that, $4 since the open. 2% on the day. Okay, let's see if this wants to bounce off of this level right here, the 20 and 24 level, and make its way back up to that 35 level and break above 35. If it bounces here and it's not able to get back above that 35 level, then we'll look to go short. It's getting bought up pretty good there though. With that candle especially. If the next candle here, if this is able to hold on the highs right here of this candle, the next candle should be pretty good, and we'll see a move up to that 775 that we were looking for. Let's see that green candle. Let's get above the VWAP again. It's not looking too good. Tesla is still going, dude. These candles are ugly, but Nasdaq is starting to make that move up again. We got some nice buy pressure here with these wicks, so let's see that 775 next. Kind of getting stuck once again. I would have loved to see Nasdaq just pop up there, man. I want that 75 level so we could short. Starting to break down though. I would have gone short there, but these wicks that I made before just are not something that caught my attention to, you know. This could be the break though below that 24 level that we're looking at. Let's see if we get a pop back up here, a little pop. I'll go short. Let's see if we get a micro pull back here. All right, we weren't able to get that, so I'm just gonna let this go. I was looking for a micro pullback on this candle, looking to see if we bought back up to like 27 or so to go short. That's a nice sell off though there. Fat sell off. I missed out on this big dip. Missed out on that big dip, man. Damn, man, that sell off on Nasdaq is big. It's a big sell off that I missed out on, but it's all right. Next level for a bounce that we could possibly look for would be let's check this out. The 650s. 650s would be a not the best, but it'll be a solid entry for a long. We got some support there. Selling off quite heavily here. We'll see if we hit that 650 level. Possibly jump in for a short. I mean for a long, sorry. We have some activity at that 650. Ideally though, I would have liked this to go down to 620, 600 before I try to do a dip buy on it. Let's see what it does right here though. We'll just watch it a little bit longer. Sell-off continues. Trying to get some support here on Nasdaq in the 70 range. We'll see if we can still hit that 50 to go short. Getting a bounce here. Solid bounce. We're looking for that 710 on the upside for a short. If it hits that 710, we'll go short. It's getting there. Let's see that 710. Come on, a few more handles. Didn't really want to hit that 710, unfortunately. It's alright. I don't want to force trades at this point. Unless they're really great setups, I just don't want to force them. Would have been a nice short there if we got into that 706, 705. Damn, would have been up hella. 30, 40 handles, boy. That shit sold off. Shit was not playing. I was hoping to hit that 710. We would have been up pretty big here. Now the next level I'm looking for is just that 600 now. Just because the 650 is too close for that big candle right there. So 600 is the next one for our bounce. Babies. Okay. Alright. It's okay. My little baby's gonna die if I don't give him cuddles. He exaggerates when he doesn't get cuddles. We're actually forming some decent support here at that 65. If it does break though, I would like to see that 600 for a bounce. Bouncing again here. Now that we kind of formed that the support here at that 660s, we're probably going to test that 710 again and probably break. So the next spot, if it does break with nice volume, would be that 735 for a short, which was our previous resistance that we had. But now the VWAP's there too, so it's going to be even stronger of a resistance. Alright, give me a second. Let's see if we can get that balance and then break above that 710 again. Tesla looks like it's gonna start making a new high soon. Next level we're looking for on the Nasdaq is at 735 for a short. Then also above that 710 for a long. We're breaking down here. Break it down. Next level that we might see, it's at 600. There it goes. False breakout or false breakdown. We'll see if this thing wants to break back above and retest 710. If it breaks above 710, we might go long for that 735 level. Conor McGregor, you stole everything. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. You so pretty. So we're forming that pretty solid support here again. We're gonna probably test that 710 right now. If we start to get stuck around 710 but hold that level, we'll jump in for a long up to that 735. No, get down, get down. Tesla looks prime for a breakout. We have some of the Fed chair, not Fed chair, but Fed members speaking right now. Hasn't really moved the market though. Vice chair and Fed president are speaking at 10 a.m. Eastern. So we're about to test that 710 again. I would like to see a push to 735 for a rejection in a short. Google's down 6%. It's down bad. Probably gonna test that 710 right now. I'm looking for that 735 for a short. And I'll be right back. We're looking good. We might be able to break the 710 and then hit that 730. Oh, there it goes. Let's see if we can hit 730 right here on this move, and we'll go short at 730. Let's see if we can hit 730, 735. Popping up there. Popping up. Tesla's popping up. Let's get that 730 and I'll go short. Come on, let's get a few more handles up there. 730, please. Don't tease me. There's no way you're gonna tease me again on that, like you did with 710 earlier. Let's hit 730s. Damn. It never hits my level. It always hits like right below it. It's unfortunate. Let's see if this one wants to hit that 730. Come on. Here it goes. Come on, 730. Let's get up there. Come on, let's get a quick pop up there. 730. I know it wants to. Come on, give me that 735. On a quick pop. Just a quick pop up there at 735 and then we'll go short. Damn. Not able to get it, man. It's unfortunate. Yeah, it's not looking good, especially with those 2 wicks already on both of those candles. It would be surprising if we get it on this candle, but it's already looking red. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. That sucks. It would have been nice. It would have been a nice play. 735, 730 for a short, but it wasn't able to hit our target. I just don't want to jump in at 725. I think it's a nice trade, but as the day goes on, I take some of that risk off, and I don't like to risk too much, and I only want a perfect setup for my later trades. Or if that was my first trade of the day, I would have taken that at 25, 26, but you know, the day has moved on already and took a trade already, and I don't want to give up too much profit or any profit at all. Well, we might actually get another try at it with this candles. But now that it's starting to form some type of base here, now I'm gonna wait till 735, 736 to hit instead of 730. Let's see if this wants to hit 735 now. I gotta be a little pickier with it just because it had a candle or two to kind of balance out. I might have missed it there because I was talking, but let's see if this wants to pop up there one more time to that 34, 35. It gave me that chance and I missed it again. It hit that 34 level. Would have been about 20 handles already, but I missed it. I was kind of talking and didn't even see it pushing up there to that 35. Well, that sucks. That's what happens. You don't pull the trigger, you hesitate. The trade is gone by the time you think about it. So I missed out on that one. Probably gonna just call it a day there now. Alright, so I'm gonna call it a day there. We made $70 today shorting NASDAQ. Not too bad. Hopefully everybody made some money.